Hi everyone, in this video we're going to carve beautiful flower design on this watermelon. You need a very sharp knife for this. So first draw a circle and start carving a beautiful flower inside it like we're doing here. You can also draw different patterns if you don't know what to draw and create beautiful petals like this. After this we're also carving this leaf structure on the outside. These type of food art looks great during festive seasons. You can decorate your food plate and it is looking so pretty. Look, it's done. Similar way you can add more details and look, it's done. Fruit decoration are very common nowadays. In this video we're going to carve a flower design. You can take a watermelon or a melon in place of this. So take a very sharp knife and remove the petals like this and give it shape like we're doing here. And look, remove it like this and look at the beautiful flower design. After this we're going to repeat the same process and increase the size of the carve and cuts like this. And look, your flower design is complete. And then we are going to carve it till the end and repeat the same process over and over again. Peel out the skin and your beautiful pink flower design is ready. Look how pretty this is looking. You can put it for your food decoration. In this video, we're going to make beautiful flower design. You can take a melon, a guava or a melon in place of this. You can also carve design on dragon fruit. They will also look great. Here we are going to take this different type of knife and carve the flower petal like this, one after another. And you will get this beautiful flower design at the end. Remove the fruit like we're doing here. You can also take a knife if you don't have this tool. It will also look great, and you can also carve design and flower petals like this. After removing all the petals, you will get this beautiful flower, and peel the outer layer of the fruit for more pretty and 3D design like this. Similar way, you can remove the flower petals one after another and the fruit skin as well, and look, your design is ready. You can also create different floral pattern like you can see in the video. Thank you so much for watching this video.